Hello, my name is Vanessa Haywood. I am a part of Group 41, and we were tasked with making a login and operating systems for a doctor's office. And this project was split into 4 different phases for development, and each of these phases were phase 1, which was the beginning phase, so all of the information, documentation, all of the requirements, and the initial user guide for the project were done. Phase 2 was the analysis, initial design and testing plan for the operating system. Phase 3 was implementation, so most of the code. And phase 4 would be the final project and presentation of the project. So for phase 1, we started with the introduction of the project, the system overview, how it's supposed to work, and everything like that. All of the system users and everyone who will have access and would be able to use the operating system and the usability of it. Went through all of the requirements for the system, what the system should supposed to do. All of the availability requirements and response requirements for the system, all of the storage and exchange requirements, and legal and privacy requirements for the system, as well as security requirements. And then we went into further details showing the user guide here, the initial guide, showing the home screen, the portal screen, patient's home, patient setting, inbox, create a new appointment, the nurse portal login, the nurse home, nurse patient procedure part 2, the nurse inbox, doctor login portal, doctor's homepage, doctor patient procedure part 2, the doctor's inbox, and then credits for what everyone did. And that would be the end of phase 1. And so then we move into phase 2. And phase 2, this was our initial use case diagram showing everyone involved in what they can and can't do. This further goes into the use case. This details and explains what each one is specifically doing. And this was the test plan for functional testing. So different test cases of different scenarios and the expected output of them. And then this was our CRC diagrams showing our different classes and the responsibilities and collaborators of each of the classes. And then the objects in each case scenario, how they're used. And then this was our initial class diagram, showcasing all of the classes, all of their attributes, and all of their methods. And then this was the description going through all of the classes and what they are supposed to do. So then we moved into, oh, sorry about that. Okay, now we moved into phase 3, which was the bulk of the code. So most of the code was done through here. This link would take you to all of our code displaying everything. And then there is a demo video that displays the operating system and how it is run, as if a doctor or a patient were to make an appointment, set up an appointment, and things such of that nature. This is our repository for all of our code, showing all of our different excuse me, sorry, showing all of the different classes and things like that. Going through all of that. And this is our JIRA schedule. This is the scheduling and how we divvied up the responsibilities for the project, who did what, and when they were supposed to have it done by. And finally, we are on phase 4, which is this video here, describing everything and going through. And now my teammates will go through in further depth throughout all of the phases, further explaining everything that we did throughout the project.